The practice today is a seated stretch for the spine. We're going to be moving through some fluid movements to really lubricate the spine, take us out of that compression mode if we are just waking up from sleep, or maybe you're going to be doing a lot of sitting. This is going to help prep your body for the day to come. You're not going to need any props, and we will get started in a seated position. So let's bring the left shin in front of the right to start, and you can bring your feet closer in towards your groin for today. Bringing your hands to rest lightly on your knees. And we'll just take a few breaths here. A few breaths to settle, finding a nice tall spine, aligning the ears with the shoulders. Allowing the belly to be soft. Next inhale is draw the shoulders up towards the ears. Squeeze it nice and tight. And exhale, roll the shoulders down the back. 2 more like this. Inhale, draw the shoulders up towards the ears. And exhale down the back. Last one. And sigh it out. Gently opening the eyes, dropping the chest towards the left knee, down through the center, over to the right and back. So 3 in one direction, and let's switch directions here. Final one, coming all the way up, keeping your hands on your knees. We'll take a few cat-cow. So inhale, energetically pull your knee, energetically pull back on the knees, puff up through the chest, squeeze the shoulder blades. And exhale, round chin to chest. 2 more. And on the round, maybe you can lift the knees, roll back a little bit. Last one. Inhaling, come back through center. Inhale, both arms to come up. And exhale, we're going to turn to the right. Bring the left hand to the right knee and sprinkling your right fingertips behind you. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale, gently twist, just a little bit. Inhale to lengthen a little bit more. And exhale, twist, looking over your right shoulder. Maybe you drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Bring the gaze back upright. Inhale, both arms up. And exhale, other side. Right hand to the left knee, sprinkling your left fingertips behind you. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, twist gently. Inhale to lengthen a little bit more. And exhale, twist looking over your left shoulder. You can drop your left ear to your left shoulder. Inhale, rise, gaze comes back first. Inhale, both arms up. And exhale to fold over your shins. Next, inhale, staying nice and low. Walk all 10 fingertips over towards the right. And as you rise, interlace your fingers around that right kneecap. Cat-cow here. So inhale, puff up through the chest, squeeze the shoulder blades, and exhale, round. And as you round, trying to push your right knee to the floor. So you'll feel a nice pull in the left shoulder. 2 more. Inhale, rise. We're going to take a deer, so taking your left shin to the back, so you're gluing your left knee to the sole of the right foot. Sprinkling your fingertips on either side, same thing. So inhale, puff up through the chest, and as you round, push your fingertips forward. 2 more. On this final one, inhale to rise. Take all 10 fingertips to the outside of that right knee and come down for a little stretch. Inhale to rise. Come back through center. We'll switch the crossing of the shin, so bringing the right shin in front this time. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale to fold over your shin. Staying nice and low, walking all 10 fingertips over towards the left, and as you rise, interlace your fingers around that left kneecap. Inhale here, and exhale, round, chin to chest, and as you round, drawing your left knee towards the floor. So you'll feel that stretch in the right shoulder blade. 2 more. Last one. Inhale to rise. Unravel that right leg, so bringing the right knee and gluing it to the sole of the left foot. Sprinkling your fingertips on either side of your right knee. Inhale, puff up through. And on the exhale, push your fingertips forward and round. And as you're doing so, you'll feel this also maybe in the groin of that right leg, right thigh. Last one here. Inhale to find a nice tall spine. Take all 10 fingertips to the outside of your left knee and come down onto your forearms for a nice stretch. Taking this into the lower back. Next inhale, rise. Torso faces the front. Let's find our seated position once again. Finding that nice tall spine. Let's draw the shoulders up towards the ears, nice and tight. Open the mouth and sigh it out. One more inhale. Open the mouth and sigh it out. Just noticing how this seated position feels compared to when we first started the practice. Just taking these last moments here to set your intention for the day. We'll be reading our blessing. If you're not sticking around for the blessing, I hope you enjoyed the practice. The blessing reads, "May God grant you the patience to trust His timing this week, finding grace for each moment of waiting." And gently opening the eyes here. I hope you enjoyed the practice today, and I hope that it serves you well and you're able to go out and notice the subtle differences in the body, especially in the back body, having done this practice. And as for the blessing, let's view situations that may test our patience as opportunities for growth, and also that God is not only at work in us, but He's at work in other people as well. If you enjoyed this practice, leave a comment, let me know how you got on, and I will see you back here again soon for day 2 in our morning seated stretch series.